going on, everybody? It's Sailboat from Sailboat.Sneakers with you today. I got another random haul video. Now, if you haven't ever watched one of these episodes before, basically what it is, I open a bunch of random packages that I've gotten in the mail. Sometimes there's sneakers, sometimes there's restoration stuff, sometimes it's a pair of boxers. It could be anything, who knows. At any rate, let's get into this video so you can see the latest random haul. First up, we'll start with the smallest package. Let's find out what's inside. Hey, I got a cord. How exciting is this cord right here? Needed a new charger? Here it is. Package number 2. Oh, I hope it's a pony. It's a pack of cotton swabs. I'm actually really excited for this pack of cotton swabs, weirdly enough. These cotton swabs are special. They have finely pointed tips. Can be really precise with a tool like this, and when it comes to repaints, if you ever have a little bit of an issue, these come in real handy to help you clean up your mess. Next item here. This is actually something that I thought I took a big L on, and it actually turned out to be a little bit of an L, but not nearly as bad as I expected. If you guys watched my last random haul video, you know that I actually got another one of these with a little bit of a different hood, but this right here is the Bape Kid Cudi Shark Hoodie. This one is in a 2XL. The first one that I got was actually the Tiger Zip hoodie, and that was in a size XL. I ended up selling that at Kobe Swap Meet for retail price, which is actually more than what the resale market is. I made more than if I had sold it on like a GOAT or a StockX or some other similar service. However, I still lost money because of tax and shipping and the fee that I paid for the slot. Now is where we get to exciting packages. This one is actually a birthday present from my mother, so that's kind of cool. Let's find out what's inside. Oh, yes. This is awesome. Look at this right here. This is from Angelus. I got some Too Thin. Oh, I got a bunch of Too Thin. Holy smokes. Oh, wow. She got me four ounces of Too Thin, which is amazing because I run through this like crazy when I'm using the airbrush. Additionally, a pack of paint right here. Oh, nice. I love these packs of paint because they come with these really cool little air fresheners. Look at that cute little air freshener, man. How could you hate on that? A nice sticker. Ooh, look at that shark. That shark is the man right there. And then a pack of paint. We got some burgundy, chili red, yellow, purple. I have like 3 or 4 purples now. Flat white, cream, flat black, blue turquoise, flat black, flat white, and a bone. Nice little dozen set right there, some Angelus paints. My color selection is growing by the day. I've got a whole bunch of new colors, and I'm gonna need a new setup pretty soon, is all I gotta say, because I am running out of space. Now we are on to 2 of the more exciting pickups, in my opinion. And now I got a couple of pairs of sneakers for your viewing pleasure. First pair up. So this pair was actually a W on the Sneakers app by Lola. This is the Nike Air Max 1 Clot. This box right here comes with a pretty cool sticker, and there's like a whole bunch of different labels. I don't know exactly what language it. Internal label of the package here, there are a whole bunch of terms in this language for different parts of the body actually. Runs through sinus, ear, eye, cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem, trapezius, liver, gallbladder, kidney, celiac plexus, stomach, pancreas, duodenum, bladder, insomnia point, genital glands, coccyx, and anus. So there are all of those words right there. This shoe, I don't know a ton about the history. I know that it's based off of an unreleased sample from like 2006, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's known as like the Kiss of Death informally, or maybe formally. This is a really unique shoe. Man, this is pretty cool. It's got that kind of like vinyl-y PVC smell to it because of these clear see-through toe boxes. The suede that they use in the construction of this shoe is actually really nice. So this is a really unique shoe. Obviously you can see that the toe box is completely see-through with like, again, some sort of PVC or vinyl paneling. You can see this beautiful suede with, again, another little clear window here on the lateral aspect of the shoe. Running through this Nike swoosh here is almost like a faux crocodile or alligator. Really interesting material. And then we come to some of this like crazy leather on the back of the shoe. with the Clot insignia and the stitching on the heel. And it's a really just nice materials overall. The color palette is really interesting. You see these few hints of like lime green accents. Just really interesting contrast with this like really bright orange and this almost like burgundy, maroon, red type of color. We got these icy blue midsoles, and if I'm not mistaken, I think that these bottoms are kind of like reflexology or like trigger points on the foot, almost like acupuncture points. Again, I don't really know too much, but my guess is that each of these numbers that's labeled on there corresponds to the specific number that's actually listed in the box. So you can probably use this kind of sole imprint here and the numbers to actually kind of figure out a little bit of reflexology or acupuncture, if I'm not mistaken. Medial aspects of the shoe, pretty much the same thing, just mirroring the lateral aspects. Same kinds of materials, not too much of a switch up there. Overall, a really interesting shoe. It's definitely not my style, but I really like the concept and execution behind it. Now, this last pair right here is actually a purchase from GOAT. This is something that I got when I was looking for some practice pairs for some restoration work. It's actually a pretty good pair of sneakers that I got at a very, very good deal. I think I paid about $80 or $90 for them. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. I got the GOAT checklist right here, so you know that it's been authenticated and gone through all of these steps. As always, you got a GOAT sticker coming along with the purchase. And here, I got a pair of platinum tint 11s. Seeing the pictures, I actually thought that these were like super beat up, but having them in hand, they're in stupid good condition, and I got them for like 80 or 90 bucks. The only thing that's wrong with them is a little bit of yellowing on the outsoles. And after these things get worn a few times, they definitely get a little bit yellowed out. Take a quick look, a little bit of creasing in the toe boxes. Not nearly as bad as on a traditional Jordan 11 because instead of using that patent leather, there's more of this kind of like soft suede-like material. It's probably like a nubuck or a durabuck, I'm sure. Coming over onto the heels here, you can see like a little bit of creasing, but nothing too crazy. Medial aspects of the shoes looking really good. Probably just need a quick clean down. And again, the only thing that's really flawed, if you could even consider it that, is that the soles are a little bit dirty and a little bit yellow. Honestly, if I throw these in the icebox for like a couple of days, they're gonna be looking absolutely pristine. This was a super cheap purchase. There's no box. They're a size 7 youth, so I guess maybe that's one of the reasons why they were so cheap, is it's a small size. This is a pretty sick pair actually, and it's not gonna take that much work in order to get it looking back to where it needs to be. That's all I really got for you today. Nothing too crazy, but definitely a couple cool pickups in this video. Very excited with everything, and I can't wait to start using some of these products with my restoration services. Things are coming along really nicely with that. I will be soon offering my services to the public, so keep your eyes open for that. Again, I'm at Sailboats.Sneakers on Instagram, as well as here on YouTube where you're watching this video. I can also be found at Sailboat.Sneaks, all one word, on Twitter. And please make sure that you check out the website, www.Sailboats.Sneakers.com. Thank you guys so much for coming through for this video. Hopefully it's a little bit of a quicker one for you. What do you guys think of this random haul series? Is it something I should keep up with, or is it something that it's like, you know, I don't really care about it? At any rate, I appreciate the support so much. If you guys feel like it, throw me a like or a subscribe or a follow, or you know, whatever it is. Appreciate you guys stopping by. I'm Sailboat. I'm out of here.